Plan your vacations and always have something to look forward to on your calendar is a great way to prevent burnout. If you're always having something that you're excited for, it allows you to work harder. For example, I'm leaving next week. I'm going to Colorado on a family vacation. This week I'm working hard because I'm excited about the vacation. I've been looking forward to it. And then after that's the next vacation. So pre-plan your vacations and always have something to look forward to, even though it may be a date night with your spouse, it may be a movie night with your kids, and maybe you're going on a weekend retreat. Always have something to look forward to, and you'll be willing to do the work in between. Well, burnout, for example, and this is not the answer, but just from me to you,
Yeah.
I mean, burnout to me is sometimes people say I'm burnt out as giving themselves permission to throw in the towel. You know, many times, I used to knock on 100 doors a day, doors slammed in my face. Like, I was burned out, many times, burnout. And guess what? I'd say, what else are you going to do? What else are you going to go do to go make $400,000? Shut up. Go knock the next door. And I would have that inner game talk, and it always helped me. So don't let yourself tell yourself that you're burnt out, and have things to look forward to.